Hello guys, and welcome back to another hair video. Today, I'm just going to be doing a Majestic Mane tutorial. I'm filming a batch of videos in a minute, or maybe in 45 minutes, because it takes ages to do my hair. But I just thought, usually when doing my hair for filming, I usually don't film that process, and I like to get it done as quickly as possible, because I'm just like, get my hair done, get on camera, let's go. But I thought I would take my time today and actually film my hair, or film me doing my hair prior to filming. Here it is. I am going to be trying, not a few different things. I was tossing up between using my curling wand or my flat iron, and I think I'm going to go with the flat iron today because flat iron is way quicker when doing, nice luscious curls. And since becoming a certified hairstylist, I have picked up a few different products to enhance curl. So I really want to test out what I've learnt with my old flat iron curl technique. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I just wanted it to be really easy peasy and cash, and then we'll go from there, I guess. But yeah. Alright, so this is my normal hair as well, by the way. So I have been getting a lot of comments lately that my hair doesn't look as curly as it used to be. And the reason that is because when it gets longer, right, it's getting more and more weight. Now, through the whole growing out process as well, I really wondered when this was going to happen. And it gets to a point where it no longer grows out anymore and it starts growing down. And that's because once it gets to a certain length, I don't know what length that is, it just starts weighing itself down. And my curls are just not as defined as they usually are. If you guys remember when I had really short hair, it was super tight curls. I might put a bit of footage right here just to show you what my curls actually look like. But yeah, I just noticed as it's getting longer and longer, it's getting less and less curly. So here it is. But today I'm going to be doing my flat iron curls, and I should probably stop blabbering, so let's get into it. I haven't brushed or anything. We've got a few things on the table. I've got a ball bristle brush. This is another fucking amazing tool that I can't believe I never knew about. I've got my ibis clips, fine tooth comb, or a teasing comb if you like, and I've got my straightener. So, the last thing as well, I forgot to tell you. So this here is a mousse, right? So it's a hold mousse. What's different about what I'm doing to my hair today is I'm actually going to be applying mousse. Mousse and using heat products, fucking great combo, okay? So there was a lot of hairstyles I had to do on my mannequin head, particularly Hollywood waves. They're like those really glamorous sort of wavy hairstyles that curve around a woman's face, right? And every time I took the curls out, they just fell apart. I was having a lot of trouble getting Lindsay's hair to hold. So I was speaking to my tutors, and my tutors said to try a mousse. And I tried mousse on Lindsay's hair, that's my mannequin by the way, and it worked bloody brilliantly. So I'm going to be testing out the mousse on my hair today with what I did on Lindsay and using my hair straightening technique. First thing I'm going to do, switch the straightener on and plug it in probably. Okay, let's do this. All right, here we go. So what I've done, I've just sectioned my hair out. I've tied this up with my hair tie, and I've heated up my straightener. And the first thing I'm going to do is smooth my hair out. So smoothing it out makes it a lot more easy to work with. So I'm just going to run my teasing comb through it gently. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab my ball bristle brush. So this is really good for smoothing and shine. And also, when you have pesky flyaways that stick out everywhere, and like just the ends in general, this really helps with smoothing them all out. Then after that, I'm going to grab a little tiny bit of mousse. I'm actually going to apply that to this whole section and this section, and we're going to apply the mousse as we go. You can see it's already adding definition into this without me even using heat yet, so that's how we know we like it. Wait, watch this cool trick as well. This is just something I've learned recently. If you want to get curls without doing the flippy motion that I usually do, over the straightener, through here, clamp down, run. It's a pretty cool trick. Boing! Look at that! I probably could have done a little bit further up, but hey. All right, time to make our first curl, baby. Boing. Oh, look at that. Don't worry, I'm not going to walk around with it like this. There is another step involved. And what I'm doing is I'm just going to do this curling action over my whole head. Boing. Oh my god, it's been so long since I've done these. Boing, 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 boing. I'm pretty sure this mousse is what's helping these like go so springy. Like even that, I don't remember my hair ever being that springy. I just love mousse. My new favorite thing. These look crazy. Look how much shorter it goes when it's curled. I'm just gonna turn the camera off and do this over my whole head and then come back when it's completed, then I'll show you how I finish it up, okay? 3, 2, 1, bippity boppity. Okay, what feels like 10 years later, we've now done our curl job. We are definitely not finished. I know this looks like a bloody, what's that? Toddlers in tiaras. Like these curls are freaking insane beauty pageant curls, and this is not the final look. What we're gonna do next is we're going to use our ball bristle brush. So for any of you guys that don't know what one of these are, they're really, really great for smoothing and adding extra shine to hair, particularly coarse hair like mine, okay? So we're gonna use a mixture of that, and we're also gonna chuck in, you can also see in these curls, see how well that's holding? That's because of the mousse. Sick stuff. You really need to get your hands on it if you're serious about having wicked curls. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little bit of John Frieda Frizzies in, and we're gonna put some Riot Control oil, mix these together, and just run it through the ends and the mid-lengths, because I still have little flyaways everywhere. And after I put these in, I'm then going to go over it with my ball bristle brush, okay? Just one pump of each. Emulsify. And then I'm going to start applying this on the ends, okay? Because I want those ends to look really nice and really luscious. I think I'm due for a trim and another keratin treatment really soon. Whoa, look at that. Looks pretty damn healthy, hey? I love it. All right, now that I've applied those products, I'm just gonna grab my ball bristle brush. When I brush through, I wanna keep the shape of the curl, so I'm gonna brush through and go with the curl, okay? So let's do that. And that's gonna help me get that shine, but also start blending all these curls together so they're not so separate. See that, how the ball bristle brush is starting to merge this together? We want to go with the curl so we don't lose it, but we want to start combing it together, or brushing it together, should I say. So we've got this nice, huge wave. I always get a little bit like confused as to which way I want to part my hair as well, because sometimes, I'm not even joking, it looks better when I flip it all over that way, or sometimes it looks better when I flip it over that way. It's not really something I decide on until I'm like done with the hairdo. So we'll wait and see what side it ends up on today, hey? Hell. This microphone's never been so annoying. Perhaps because I never brush my hair on camera. Maybe that's it. It's looking pretty cool, look at this. From here on, it's pretty much just all handiwork, so you just play around with it until you're happy with it. You might need to get your brush again, following that curl. Oh, that looks sick. Honestly, one of the best things I learned at hairstylist school is how to use a ball bristle brush. It just merges the whole hairdo together. You know what, actually? I have just scrapped the whole like side part. We're not going this way, we're not going that way. We're actually going back today. Check this out. Ooh. It just looks so good. Bit too high. We want something shaggy, but we want something like a lot cleaner than what we had before. There. Oh, look at this. Yes. We're ready for filming day. Could even do like a little Rolo. What if we did like a half up, half down? We're gonna try the Geralt look. The Witcher. How's these ones, eh? Nah. Okay, look. I made a big error by wearing this t-shirt today. It's so uncomfortable with the microphone here. Can we get a shirt change, please? Whoa, okay, thank fuck for that. This is so much more comfortable. My other shirt was just itching me here. So here we go, here's our final look. I decided not to go, it is kind of like swooping over this side, but I've kind of got a whole swept back look going on, and I really like it like this. I think it looks really smart, really trendy. It looks a lot neater than when I started, and I owe it all to a ball bristle brush with lots of my fucking hair on it. Mousse, strongly recommend this, and just some anti-frizz products, okay? It's all it takes. If you want to learn the exact technique of what I was doing, I know I sped through, the actual process of curling my hair today, but if you want to learn more about that, there will be a video up in the cards for you. And I think I'm ready for filming now. Okay, so I am happy with this now. I think this is the final look. If we look at how I looked in the start of this video, I am looking a lot more maintained, a lot more presentable. I still have to do a little bit to my beard and my eyebrows to get ready for filming, but that takes 2 seconds, and I can do that straight after I finish filming this one. I hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know what you think of it in the comment section below. If you want to join the Facebook group where it's pretty much like hair growth related and also hair care related. If you are a guy growing your hair out and you want to join a really cool community, I do have a Facebook group called Man Buns and Manes where there's thousands of guys growing their hair out to get it really nice and long. And I want to invite you to come and join because it's a really fun time, okay? The link to that will be in the description box. For all the products used in this video, I will leave those in the description as well for you in case you want to try this sort of hairstyle out. This sort of hairstyle is really great for coarse, frizzy hair types like mine, like what mine looked like in the beginning. Remember to leave me a like to let me know you like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Catch you later.